Creating a new Nodewood project is quick and easy. First, you have to make sure that you have Docker and Yarn installed on your system, and if you're a JavaScript developer, odds are good that you already do. If not, the Nodewood docs can guide you through the process. From there, you want to make sure that you have the Nodewood command line tool installed, which we can do using yarn global add at nodewood/CLI. This is also the command that you'll use when updating your command line tool here. So just keep that in mind if you ever get a notice about how there's a new version out. Now from here, we type Nodewood, new, and the folder that we want to install our project into. I'm just going to go with demo. Now that's going to ask us for our API key, which we get from the nodewood.com website. You go into projects and create a new project, and it will give you that information. So now here it will create a new project based on the application template. It will install the Nodewood library into that, and then it will install your Node modules for you. Now this can take some time sometimes, depending upon your speed and your connection to the Node module server, but usually it's pretty quick. See here, it's just finished already. So now we change into that folder, and the first thing we want to do is run Nodewood migrate. Now this will build and spin up the Postgres database server and run the migrations to bring your system up to a first run state so that the database is ready for you to log in. And then we type Nodewood dev. And this will build all the other containers required to run your system and stand it up locally. For example, here's our database that we had from before. That stood up now. Nginx is what is used to intercept the main web requests and then pass them along to your application. API is the API backend. That is an Express server that's running in a container, and that's what catches the requests from Nginx here. And then UI down here, this is a Webpack and Vue.js container that does all the front-end builds. And these will automatically restart when you make changes as well. So now that that's done, we'll just go back to the browser and you go to your local machine. Now I have a little URL redirect set up in my hosts file for local development, and I use nodewood.test for that, but you can just as easily go to localhost. And there you have it. Your new Nodewood project is created, installed, running, and you're visiting it right now. This is just one of many ways that Nodewood can save you weeks or even months of time when building your next web app. Thanks.